You're watching me. My name's Mark, and this is CYBERIGS robots.
From now on, I don't think there'll be the slightest trouble with your room. Your domestic.
First up, I'm going to fit all the panels, see where they go, see how it looks, take them all off, strip them back to bare metal.
What we saw there happened. What we saw there happened in audio. Fortunately, it is the responsibility of the United States Air
Force. So, if you want to follow the progress, keep watching. We'll get him rubbed down.
From now on, I don't think there'll be the slightest trouble with your room.
So this has been rubbed down to clean metal and lacquered, and it just needs the eyes to go in here, and it fits some eyes, and there's some pieces that go here. I'm probably going to do these in blue, in a metallic blue. I'm sanding these panels down. Some of them I'm going to spray with a metallic blue spray, and some I'm going to do in red. Some I've already sanded down to clean metal. So these are the arms, and they're actually painted with silver paint. So what I've done is I've stripped a lot of the paint off, and some parts I've cleaned it right down to the bare metal, like the fingers. They're quite nicely engineered, so I'm just going to lacquer these now, and some of the other parts, and the other bits I'm doing black.
Fortunately, it is the responsibility of the United States Air Force to prevent such disasters. The old lantern of Paul Revere's time has given way today to such modern things as the electronic eye, which sweeps the sky both by day and by night to prevent the arrival of any unwelcome intruder. So let's look now at our all-important radar defense screen. From now on, I don't think there'll be the slightest trouble with your room. Your domestic problems are completely solved. No, that's good. What we saw there happened in audio. Fortunately, it is the audio.
Time for more tea.
It's the responsibility of the United States Air Force.
these two bits on, ground it down, lacquered it. It's going to go just there like that.
Some robots have even learned to fly. From now on, I don't think you'll be
Well,
trouble with your robot.
I haven't been happy with the feet. They're a bit small, a bit like the last robot really, and they need to be longer. So what I've done is I've cut up an old exercise bike. I'm going to use this underneath here to extend the feet, and I've cut these angle bits here. These will fit on the front and weld them together, and luckily it came with these panels which I think will look quite good on the feet on the outsides. So, sprayed these now in silver and a little bit of black. Sprayed a little bit of black on just to age them, weather them a bit. I've used some cogs here. I found some cogs. So I've bolted a cog on there, one on here, and put these chrome caps, which actually are paint. Stuck them on there.
Some robots have even
It's coming on. I've just got the panels to go on the outside, and that's his feet just about done.
In offices and schoolrooms too, robots have learned to turn on the lights. One little robot,
I've sprayed quite a lot of panels
intelligent brain,
in this blue. It's Extreme Sparkle, Atlantic Blue.
don't look now, but this motor
And,
car is simply full of robots.
It's got a nice finish. And where I've rubbed through to the bare metal, I've lacquered over the whole lot. So it seals it and also seals this blue because this is metallic. So.
Ignition, liftoff of Atlas V rocket with MRO, surveying for the deepest insights into the mysterious evolution of Mars.
Explosive control as
Got the silver bits on, some red bits there, got some blue. Got the head on now, got these blue bits on here. These bits are ready to go on now. Which were these, I put the flames on here. So these going on here. Okay, I'm going to get these panels on. Sprayed up now, lacquered, ready to go. So let's take a look at the eyes. Now it came with these blue LEDs which work okay, looked okay, but I think with eyes it's nice if they glisten, they need to be really shiny. So I've added these eyepieces like jewelers' lenses, and I've added those on there to give it the glistening look. And I'm going to put these serrated washers. I'll put one there in the centre and one on the outside, like so. In fact, I'm going to add a little piece in the centre here as well. There's this little thing here, which is actually off a keyboard. You take a keyboard apart, that's what's underneath. And I'll put that under there, like that, put that on there, and that on there. And those will be his new eyes. He's got to weld his eyes in now. Eyes are in.
I've even learned to fly.
Let's take a look.
In offices and schoolrooms too, robots have learned to turn on the lights. One little robot, a very small but intelligent brain, don't look now, but this motor car is simply full of robots.
Well, he's pretty much finished now, so let's take a look. Okay, so here he is. Now, I've added a few bits. I'll show you. This bit here, this chrome bit. This is actually the pedal off the exercise bike. I just welded a nut on there, bolted that on. The eyes I've changed a little bit. What I've done is I've put like an eyelid here. It just makes the eyes look a bit better. You can see.
3, 2, 1,
There's a bit of
ignition.
piping there.
Liftoff of the Atlas V rocket with MRO.
Let's get a close up here so you can see the
Insights
hand.
into mysterious
See
evolution.
the fingers there. I don't know if you can see inside, but I put something at the back there. It's actually off a Dyson vacuum cleaner. Yeah, you can't quite see it, but it's in there. And down here are the feet. I've added these discs. I had a couple of discs, so cleaned them up and bolted them on there. So take a look back. There it is.
From now on,
That's editing time.
with your robot. Your domestic problems are completely solved. Oh, that's good.
Thanks for watching. I've got some more robot videos coming up very soon if you want to subscribe to the channel. All sorts of different robots, not necessarily the same as this. Be a surprise. Wait and see. So keep watching.